Pakiramdam mo ba mag-isa ka? O kaya sobrang overwhelmed ka na as an overseas Filipino worker? Curious ka ba paano nakapag-adjust, nalagpasan ng mga pagsubok at natupad ng mga modern Filipino heroes ang kanilang mga pangarap? Alam mo, naiintindihan kita. Ako nga po pala si Erwin, and welcome to Pinastorya. This season, we dedicate our podcast to guiding and empowering aspiring and current OFWs gaya mo. Naiintindihan namin ang sitwasyon at mga challenges na hinaharap nyo, and we are here to offer support in a safe and compassionate environment. Through shared stories and experiences, we aim to build a community na kung saan ay makaka-relate kayo sa isa't isa, gain valuable insights, and learn about possible opportunities na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo. Each episode features the journeys of fellow kababayans, showcasing their resilience and providing practical advice and heartfelt encouragement. Kahit nagsisimula ka palang mangarap mag-abroad or already navigating life in a new country, Pinastorya is here para samahan at suportahan ka. Dito lang yan sa Pinastorya. Stories every Pinoy should hear.